Pork carnitas is one of those dishes that pampers your tired body. Oh, look at that. They are the kind of food that makes you forget a hard day of work and the broken system you live in. Because let's be honest, Mexicans live in a system that often feels like it's working against them. A system where people are not rewarded for the effort they put in. A system where corruption shapes opportunities. Where education sometimes feels designed to keep people unaware of their rights. Today especially is carnitas. Today I'm using my very own Mucho chopping board. One of the best cuts for carnitas is pork shoulder. Fernando Delgadillo said, "Nos educan para resistir. We are taught to endure. And every day something else is taken away. But in the middle of that, we cook. We wake up early, grab a sharp knife, finish scoring the skin. We season it with salt, citrus, squeeze them in, the bottom, not on the skin, pepper, small dash of oil. Simple ingredients that carry generations of memory. No need to add milk, condensed milk, or Coke, or Coke, or Coke to go over the skin. Aluminum foil. That sound, that crackle, is a reminder that some things still respond to your effort. Some things still transform when you give them time. Some things still reward patience. We wait. Carnitas teach you to wait, to slow down, to let time do what the system never does. Give back. Boom! And while the meat cooks, life continues. You think about your day, the long hours, the low pay, the uncertainty. You think about your kids, about their future, about how hard you're trying to give them something better. You think about how tired you are, not just physically, but emotionally. But then you look at the carnitas again, and the smell hits you. Warm, fatty, citrusy, comforting. A smell that reminds you of Sundays, of family gatherings, of laughter, of music, of stories. Carnitas are not just food, they are memory, they are culture, they are survival. The kitchen becomes a refuge, a place where the world outside can't reach you, a place where you're not resisting, a place where you're not enduring, you're giving, you're loving. Because Mexican food is both a blessing and a curse. A blessing because it heals you, a curse because it keeps you going in a system that demands too much. A blessing because it brings your family together. A curse because it's one of the few things that still feels like yours. But then your family arrives. Your loving wife, your husband, your children, your abuelos, your tias, your friends. You'll sit around the table. You share food made with your own hands, with your own time, with your own heart. And for a moment, just a moment, everything feels okay. That meal heals you. It gives you strength to start again and again and again. Because that's what we do. We endure, we resist, we love, we cook, we gather, we survive. Pork carnitas are a meal that heals, a meal that softens the edge of a hard existence, a blessing and a curse. And let's see, a reminder that even in a broken system, we still know how to love, how to get together. And together, we heal each other with our food. Delicious.